Hi, folks. I want to welcome you to talking about dogs. That's what it is. And we're going to have a class that's going to be a lot of fun. I encourage you to bring your dogs. We want to talk about their favorite things, their toys, their habits, what they eat. Maybe we're not going to promote anything, and I don't want to have a downer class. So it's for people that really enjoy dogs. If you have a dog or if you don't, doesn't matter. We welcome you anyway, and we'll talk about some of their favorite things. I know I had a dog at one point that loved to watch TV. Spike, this is Spike. Spike loves everybody, and he especially loves to eat, and he loves food, and he loves toys. He loves toys. Anyway, that's it. I hope you come join our class, and I look forward to seeing you. Bye.